Now that you're 7 years old, it's time for us to start setting some rules.
What rules, Mom?
First, crying doesn't solve everything. When you have a problem, you should express it clearly. That's called learning how to communicate. Second, you must do your own homework without depending on others. That's called being independent. Third, toys must be put away after playing. That's called being organized. Fourth, using bad words is completely forbidden. That's called showing respect. Fifth, when you make a mistake, you must sincerely apologize. That's called taking responsibility. Sixth, when you see someone you know, you should greet them. That's called having good manners. Seventh, you should willingly help mom and dad with household chores. That's called sharing. Eighth, if you feel confused or unsure, you should ask for help instead of staying silent. That's called being honest. Ninth, you shouldn't get angry without a reason. That's called controlling your emotions. 10th, every day you should try to learn something new. That's called growing.
All right, Mom. I understand.
That's my child. Rules may look strict today, but one day your child will thank you. Because discipline in childhood becomes strength in life. Share this with someone who is raising little ones. These small lessons can shape big lives. Someone asks you, what do your parents do? Or what kind of work does your family have? Don't rush to tell them everything.
Why, Mom?
Because not everyone who asks has good intentions. Some people are only trying to understand our family situation, whether we have money or connections, so they can decide how to treat you. Once they know, they may even pass that information on to others. If our family is well off, some will think you're showing off. Slowly, they may distance themselves or talk about you behind your back. And if our family is struggling, they may appear kind and invite you to play, but deep down, they might see you as someone they can control. They will give you the hardest and most thankless tasks. So you don't need to be completely honest with everyone. You are not required to share everything about your life. Say what is necessary, safe, and appropriate. Keep the rest private unless someone has earned your trust. This helps you protect your dignity and prevents others from judging or taking advantage of you.
Okay, Mom. I understand.
That's my love. Everyone doesn't need to know everything. Your life is not public property.
What is trust, Mom?
I will tell you tomorrow. Now go and sleep. Years old now, my girl.
Yes, Mom.
There are some safety rules you must always remember, especially the last one.
What is it, Mom?
First, always keep a little distance when you're playing with boys. Friendship is important, but there should be boundaries. Second, avoid going out at night. If you really have to, ask Dad or me to come with you. Third, if you ever make a mistake, don't be afraid. Everyone makes mistakes. But never let anyone use your mistake to blackmail or control you. Fourth, remember, in this world, no one is more important than you. Learn to love yourself before you love others. Fifth, in places like train stations or airports, never carry a stranger's luggage, even if they look elderly or weak. If they really need help, offer to call an officer instead. You never know what might be inside.
Okay, Mom.
Don't think I worry too much. The outside world is complicated. You should never wish harm on anyone, but you must always protect yourself.
Yes, Mom. I understand.
My dear, the world may not always be kind, but you can always be careful. If someone sent you this, remember they care about you and want you to stay safe.